Shandong Cummins Top Power Company Limited is one of the largest diesel generator, diesel water pump, gas generator, light tower provider in China mainland. According to your requests, they can be open type, silent type, mobile type, and container type. Our goal is to provide our users the best and most effective power solution. Customer needs is the direction of our efforts. Customer satisfaction is our pursuit. We can meet any needs in land or marine emergency, backup and primary electric power. Our cooperative factory capacity amounts to 5,000 sets per year. We are specialized in making 5 kVA to 3,000 kVA under Cummins, PERKINS, Deutz, WEICHAI, Yuchai, Shandong, SDEC, MTU, Shanghai, FAW, Kaishun, Ricardo, Steyr, and other engines to equip with Stanford, Marathon, Leroy Somer, Hengjiu alternators. We have CE certification, Cummins, WEICHAI, SDEC, Yuchai, FAWDE authorization, etc., which ensures high quality and good service. We strictly follow the World Quality System standards from procurement, installation, testing, operation, and delivery. Our products have been exported to hundreds of countries, regions all over the world. Many customers choose us not only because of reliable quality, good after-sales service, but also short delivery time. I trust you will like our quality. We provide comprehensive after-sales service support, including installation and commissioning, maintenance, technical training, spare parts supply, and other services. These services can help customers ensure the normal operation of equipment, solve problems in a timely manner, and improve customer satisfaction.